Okay, so the second part of this activity or this lab, I'm going to show you this Rutherford scattering, or you should have done some of the questions on it, or just played around with it. Now I'm going to just show you what this looks like and ask you some questions on it. So one of them was put it down to 20 protons. I also have to turn it down to 20 neutrons right now. I'll fire alpha particles. I have the trace on, so you can see all these alpha particles firing away. So my question, first one, like we'll keep these things simple, would be, what happens when, okay, where's the pause button? I change the number of protons to 100. Would there, notice that some of these are deflected. Would there be more or less of them being deflected when I increase the number of protons to be 100? So that's my question. Okay, well, let's just do that. Let's just change it to 100. And you can probably see a lot more of these are being deflected before. You see some of these are even just bouncing straight back. And it so as I increase the number of protons, I see that the number of alpha particles scattering back increases. You could see it also clear if I use this model. Okay, actually let me go back to 20 protons. Here are alpha particles being fired. And yes, some of them are deflecting. But if I change the atom to have 100 protons, same thing. Notice a lot more of them are being deflected, mainly because this is just a lot bigger than before. There's 100 protons in it. Before, there was only 20. So it's just basically a bigger target. Okay, so other things we can do with the plum pudding model. Okay, so I'll put on the traces on here. So I'm going to fire alpha particles and ask you some questions on it. Okay, so you see these alpha particles pretty much going straight through. Maybe they just need more energy. And, either way, these alpha particles are going straight through.